Hello everyone, Yul here. Well, today I have another MikroTik product for you. This time we are going to take a look of the product from the cAP series from MikroTik. You already can see on the box what we are going to talk about is the cAP XL, or how should I call it in the MikroTik code, is the RBcAPGi-5acD2nD-XL. So let's take a look at the packaging. It is a little bit big, so I'm only going to show you the front and back. Yeah, nothing on the back, some warranty information. Let's unpack it. We have MikroTik manual, some foam for protection, device itself that we're going to take a look at the moment, sealing mount screws, PoE injector, MikroTik power adapter. Let's see, this is the regular 24 volt 1.2 amps. The sealing mount, as you can see, with the holes, and the device itself. Let's remove the box from our product showcase area and let's take a look of this device. We have, if you know the cAP family, we have the non-XL model. Basically this is the same device from the inside, so we still have the quad-core RBcAPGi-5acD2nD-XL CPU that works at 710 MHz, paired with 128 MB of RAM, 60 MB of flash. We have, as you can see, two Ethernet ports. Oh yeah, this is another piece for the sealing mount. We are going to take a look at this a little bit. We have two buttons that are both covered with this mount, so we are going to take this mount off, which is not easy. Oh, it is actually easy. So this is the plastic mount. Yeah, two ports, PoE in, and we also have PoE out, mode and reset buttons. You cannot power it with the barrel jack, it's missing, so yeah. So yeah, basically it is the same hardware. We have also the router as license level 4. But this device is much bigger. The dimensions of it, they are 191 millimeters with the 42 millimeters of thickness. What's different about this device from its predecessor non-XL model? Unfortunately, I did not have the previous model in my hands for the video. I did work with it, but the main difference with the XL is improved antennas. So, if you are in a tough environment, you might opt for this XL model. Personally, I don't like the design. I like the cAP much better because it has removable covers. This one does not. You only get this one, this design. It's not a bad option, but yeah, this ring does glow if you want it to glow, but yeah, that's about it. Not much to talk about its performance, because I already said it's basically the device that we already know about, so it's only improved with the antenna. So if you have if your house or apartment is built for the reinforced concrete, there is a lot of it, or there is metal, you might opt for this one. As I said, it does have improved antennas, so that will help. You won't gain much performance in the regular area, but you might gain a little bit performance in this, let's say, complicated environments. For example, if you put both of them outside and take a measure, they will be the same. But put it in a little bit environment where you have these obstructions, and this guy will shine. So yeah, this is cAP-XL. Oh, I forgot to showcase you this. This is the LEDs. As you can see, the pictograms are made so they're in correct position only when it's mounted to the ceiling. And please, I'll give you a free advice. If you are not a network engineer or you never work with wireless, never ever rotate the ceiling AP in any other direction except its natural position on the ceiling itself. So this should touch the ceiling, nothing else. Do not put it on the wall like this, do not put it like this, put it on the ceiling, please. Sorry for a small interruption here, but before I managed to publish the video of this great cAP-XL, I did manage to get myself cAP-AC, so you can see the comparison and the size difference of the XL model with the original one. So this is just the stock cover, but that's the size of the device. You can see what's the size difference, and also size difference with the device mounted inside this other case. So we have also great difference in the thickness of the devices, so you can see. While I did mention that this device has better performance, better antenna design and better performance than this cAP-AC in some conditions, I would still, for the home use, if you don't have any particular other reasons to use this XL, I would recommend cAP-AC. Much more sleeker, much more professional looking, but yeah, if you need better antenna, you will find in this device. So that's all from me in this video. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Evolve signing out.